explain the topics and you just listen the things what I am saying. So first I want to inform about the virus. What are virus? Basically, students, the virus full form is that are vital information resource under size. Vital information resource under size. So basically, this virus can infect to our computer. That can infect in many ways. It can lost my data. It can damage my computer. So any type of problems it can create. Okay. So
Yes.
what is the resource?
Yes.
One student also coming. Wait, Aman Chaudhary. So what is the resource of coming this? So students that can come from many places. Aradhya Singh also coming. That can be there are many resources for coming these viruses. This can come by the that means the extra pen drives. That can come by the internet also. Suppose if you are clicking on the internet and clicking on any link on the internet, so what happened students, there are some infected files attached with that link, and when you click on it, that infected files, that viruses come to your computer with that link, and this will infect to your computer. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Clear or not?
Yes.
So it can create a problem for your computer. It can slow your computer speed. It can harm to your data. It can also change the functionality of any softwares. It can do any type of problems for your computer. Okay. And the
Yes, sir.
next one is how many types of viruses in there. So there are basically four types of viruses. First one is boot sector virus. What is
Boot sector virus.
so students, boot sector means as by listen, as by the name it is clear that boot means the viruses which harms to the files which are required to boot our computer system. Boot means to on the operating system, to load the operating system in the RAM. So this will harm to that files which are required to boot our operating systems. This is the files which are required. This harms to the file which is
Yes.
which is required to boot our operating system. So basically, if boot sector virus affect our computer, then our that means our operating system cannot turn on, and our system will not be able to turn on. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
That means your operating system cannot be load.
Yes. Yes.
Your operating system cannot be load. So if you ask the boot sector viruses example, then example are disk killer, stone viruses, etc. What is the virus's name? Disk killer, stone virus, etc. Next come to the program file virus. What are student? Program file virus. So this virus infects the executable files or program such as those with extension like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .sys, etc. These programs get loaded into the memory during execution. Basically, uh, this type of programs, this type of viruses comes with the some particular extensions software. like .com, and when you click on .com extensions applications, okay, when you click on .exe extension applications, when you click on .sys application extension, so when you clicking on that extension applications, that viruses will come to your computer, so it will harm to your computer. So basically how it will harm, this will replicate to itself and fetching files on the disk. What is the meaning of replicating? Replicating means making making many thousands of copies of itself. That means suppose this files, this comes with a extension files, and it makes their many number of folders inside folder, folder inside folder. So what happened, one time will come when your memory will be full without any data. Is it clear? Clear to you or not? Clear to you or not? Program files are cleared? Students?
No, sir. 1 second. Tell.
No.
Basically,
Yes, sir. 1 second, tell.
basically,
No, sir. Once again, please explain, not clear.
basically program files, in fact the executable files are programs such as those with the extension. That means these files comes with the extension files like .com, .exe, .ovl, .drv, .syc, sys, etc. So these programs get loaded into memory during the execution. The virus becomes active in the memory by replicating to itself. Replicating means it will make many copies, thousand number of copies itself without having any data. Suppose if you have a folder, 1 lakh folders inside the folder, and you do not have any data inside that folder, then what happened? Your memory will be full, your RAM memory will be full. So your computer becomes, that means your computer will be going to hang. Is it clear right now? Right now, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Next, come to the multi-parties virus.
Yes.
Multi-parties virus. Basically, multi-parties virus. Basically, students, these are the combination of boot sector virus and program file virus. So this multi-party virus is having the functionality of both virus, boot sector and program file. Is it clear? Is it clear? So
Yes.
this is a hybrid of boot sector and program files. So it can infect to the files which are required to boot the computer. It can infect the hard drive. It can come with the files which are extension having .com, .exe. So these type of they can infect like this type of way. And the examples of these multi-party viruses are Invader, Flip, Sequela, etc. Is it clear? Is it clear? Multi-party virus.
Yes.
Next, come to the macrovirus.
Yes.
Next, come to the macrovirus. The virus infects files which are created using such application software that support macros such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So basically, this type of virus infect to the files which are created by Microsoft Office, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. So these type of viruses infect the files which are the tool of Microsoft Office. Is it clear? That's the name. It is macrovirus. What is the name of this? Is macrovirus. Is it clear?
Macrovirus.
Okay. So a macro is a series of program steps that allows automation of many actions with a single keystroke. When the infected document is opened, the macrovirus gets loaded into the main memory. Once a macrovirus gets active onto your computer, every document you produce will become infected. That means it will come to the applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel. When you open this tool, then the virus will load in the RAM and it will infect all the files which you have in the computer. Is it clear? So the examples of these viruses are Militia, .A, Relax, Bablas, etc. Is it clear?
Yes.
So macrovirus, what is macrovirus? Can anybody tell me? How macrovirus come? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me what is macrovirus? Please, if you can tell, then tell me, please. Macrovirus, please tell me, students. Tell me, students. Tell, what is macrovirus? Should I explain once more? Tell me the answer, yes or no. Otherwise, I will stop to teach you if you will not give me answer. Okay, I'm stopping. You are not giving the answer, then I stop. What are macrovirus? Please tell me immediate. What are macrovirus? Tell me immediate, please. What is macrovirus? Aman Chaudhary, what is macrovirus?
This virus infects the files which are created using such an application software.
This virus affects the files which are mostly created like Microsoft Word files, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoints. Is it clear? That support macros. That support macros such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So these files, when you open this Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, then what happened? What happened? The viruses come to your computer and it will infect your computer. Is it clear right now? Is it clear? So what are the virus symptoms? That means how you can think that the virus came to your computer. So you can think like computer starts doing on its own, like the cursor move by itself. That means you will not move the cursor, but your cursor will move by itself in the computer. So you can think that the virus came in your computer. Computer may shut down.
Unusual, slow performing.
Okay, right.
Change to your home page or password.
Okay. Your computer can continuously restart and shut down automatically. Okay. Content drives on the computer become inaccessible. That means you have the drives like ABCD, and that will not be accessible by you. That means it can be damaged. Unexpected error message pop up. That means you will get a pop up message like some messages you will get pop up like this virus. So menus and dialog box may appear destroyed. Speed of the computer gets slow. That means your computer speed can be slow. Is it clear? Next one is how virus is spread. So it can spread via removable storage devices. So suppose if you add a pen drive, if you are adding a pen drive and that pen drive is having virus, then viruses will come to your computer. So this is the main source of coming a virus in your computer. Is it clear? Is it clear to you? Next one, from internet. So from internet means suppose if you are searching anything on the Google, okay, so there are some links are given, like click on link, you will purchase a shoe in 1 rupees. Click on this link, you will purchase a pen drive in 2 rupees. So when you click on that link, then that link is having viruses. So with the clicking of that link, the viruses come to your computer and it will harm to your computer. Is it clear? Clear to you? Clear to you? So
Yes.
there are two sources of viruses. First one is by the removable
It can come from pen drive.
Not pen drive only, removable storage device. It can be removable hard disk, it can be removable pen drives, anything which are removable, which you can attach to the computer. And next one is the from internet. Is it clear? And next one is
Yes.
it can come from email also. It can come from email also. Suppose someone has sent you email and that email is having viruses. So when you click on email, automatically the viruses infect to your computer. Is it clear? When you click on that email, the viruses infect to your computer. So this is the third way. So I said to you, it can come to the external storage devices, it can come to the internet, and it can come to the emails also. Is it clear?
Yes.
So I think this should be the finish of this today's class, and your homework will be, you will write all the things which I explained today. And if you face any problem, then you can ask me in the next class. So students, thank you everyone for joining, and I will share the YouTube link in your group, and you just watch and build your concept.
Yes, sir.
Build your concept stronger. Thank you.
Okay, sir.